Today we're diving into the latest entry-level offering from Vivo, the Vivo Y29s. Known for its budget-friendly yet feature-rich smartphones, Vivo brings a new contender in the entry-level market, packing solid features and an attractive design at an affordable price. Let's see what the Y29s has to offer. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. The Vivo Y29s stands out from the crowd with a design that defies its budget-friendly price tag. Its sleek, minimalist silhouette, paired with elegantly shimmering color options, gives the phone a surprisingly elegant and contemporary aesthetic. Vivo has clearly prioritized style, proving that affordability doesn't have to mean compromising on looks. The rear panel features a neatly arranged dual-camera setup, lending the device a clean, modern appearance. Buyers can choose between two sophisticated color options, titanium gold and dark green, each adding a touch of understated elegance. Beyond its stylish exterior, the phone boasts impressive durability, including a military-grade certification and IP64 dust and water resistance. These features make it a standout choice in its price range, offering both resilience and refined design. The Vivo Y29s sports a 6.74-inch IPS LCD HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, offering decent clarity for everyday use, while the 90Hz refresh rate ensures smoother scrolling and animations. The screen's peak brightness of 570 nits falls short under direct sunlight, making visibility a challenge in bright conditions. Though the color reproduction is possible for casual viewing, the lack of full HD resolution means visuals lack sharpness, and media enthusiasts may notice the limitations in video quality. Overall, the display is functional for basic tasks but doesn't stand out in its segment. Now let's dive into performance. The Vivo Y29s is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, a power-efficient 6nm processor with an octa-core configuration clocked at up to 2.4 GHz, combined with 6 GB of RAM, expandable by an additional 6 GB via virtual memory, and 128 GB of storage. The phone delivers reliable performance for everyday use. It handles routine tasks with ease, whether you're scrolling through social media, multitasking between apps, or enjoying casual gaming sessions. It runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, providing a simple yet feature-rich experience. However, while the Dimensity 6300 keeps things smooth for lighter workloads, more demanding applications and high-end gaming may push its limits, resulting in occasional slowdowns. For an entry-level device, it strikes a fair balance between efficiency and capability, though power users might find it lacking for intensive tasks. When it comes to battery life, the Vivo Y29s delivers reliable endurance with its sizable 5,500 mAh capacity, matching last year's model. This powerhouse easily powers through a full day of moderate to heavy usage, whether you're streaming content, browsing, or staying connected on social media. However, the included 15-watt wired charging feels somewhat sluggish for today's standards, requiring approximately 2 hours to fully replenish the large battery from empty. While the charging speed may test your patience, the impressive battery longevity ensures you won't need to plug in frequently, making it a practical choice for users who prioritize all-day usage over quick top-ups. Let's explore the camera capabilities of the Vivo Y29s. The device features a dual camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor, accompanied by a 0.8-megapixel secondary lens. In daylight conditions, the main shooter performs admirably for its price point, capturing images with pleasing color accuracy and decent detail. While low-light performance is predictably modest, the camera holds its own for casual photography in favorable lighting. For selfies and video calls, the 5-megapixel front-facing camera delivers satisfactory results. Though it won't rival flagship selfie cameras in sharpness or dynamic range, it handles basic social media needs and video chats without issue. The camera system, while not groundbreaking, offers solid performance that aligns well with the phone's budget-friendly positioning, perfect for users
who want reliable imaging without premium price tags. Now, here's my final verdict.
The Vivo Y29s
Stands out as an excellent entry-level smartphone that delivers where it matters most. It combines eye-catching design with impressive battery endurance, capable cameras, and smooth everyday performance, all at an accessible price point. Perfect for budget-conscious buyers who refuse to compromise on style or functionality. This device proves you don't need to splurge for a satisfying mobile experience. Priced at just 599 dirhams in Dubai, the Y29s offers remarkable value for money. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or simply seeking a reliable secondary device, this phone checks all the right boxes. Ready to upgrade to a smartphone that balances affordability with quality? Click the links below to secure yours today and step into a world of smart, budget-friendly technology. Alright, that's for today's review of the latest
The Vivo Y29s.
Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.